Good morning to all. I'm Daphne, working as nursing tutor in Emmanuel Arthur College of Nursing, Natala. Today we can see about hypothalamus. Functions of hypothalamus is, so we can see the introduction now. Hypothalamus is a part of brain present in the posterior part of forebrain. Connects the midbrain with the cerebral hemispheres and encloses the third ventricle. It extends from optic chiasma to mammillary body, formed by a group of nuclei in the wall and floor of third ventricle. Functions are concerned mainly with the homeostasis of the body. It regulates many vital functions of the body like endocrine functions, visceral functions, metabolic functions, hunger, thirst, sleep, wakefulness, emotion, and sexual functions, etc. Secretion of posterior pituitary hormones. From hypothalamus to posterior pituitary to ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone plus oxytocin, to transported by means of axonic or axoplasmic flow through the fibers of hypophyseal tracts to the posterior pituitary. Next is control of anterior pituitary. From hypothalamus to releasing hormones 5 and inhibitory hormones 2 to 7 hormones. Growth hormone releasing polypeptide, thyrotropic releasing hormone, corticotropin releasing hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone, growth hormone inhibitory hormone, somatostatin, prolactin inhibitory hormone, transported to the anterior pituitary by hypophyseal portal blood vessels. Next is control of adrenal cortex. Paraventricular nucleus of hypothalamus to corticotropic releasing hormone to anterior pituitary to ACTH, that is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Next is control of adrenal medulla. Emotional stimuli send impulses to adrenal medulla through sympathetic fibers. Release of catecholamines cope with emotional stress. Regulation of autonomic nervous system. Hypothalamus controls the autonomic nervous system. Sympathetic means fight and flight, and parasympathetic means rest and digest. Sympathetic division here regulated by posterior and lateral nuclei, and parasympathetic division controlled by anterior group of nuclei. Regulation of heart rate regulates heart rate through vasomotor center. Vaso means blood vessels in the medulla oblongata. Stimulation of posterior and lateral nuclei of hypothalamus, which increases the heart rate. Stimulation of preoptic nucleus in anterior group, which decreases the heart rate. Regulation of blood pressure by acting on vasomotor center. Stimulation of posterior and lateral hypothalamic nuclei, which increases arterial blood pressure. Stimulation of preoptic area decreases the blood pressure. Regulation of body temperature. So hypothalamus is a temperature regulation center. Hypothalamus sets the normal range of body temperature. Body temperature, a normal physiological condition, is 37 degrees Celsius, regulated by two centers in the hypothalamus: heat loss center as well as heat gain center. Here heat loss center present in preoptic nucleus of anterior hypothalamus, heat gain center present in posterior hypothalamic nucleus. Thank you.